Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are doing issue 69 of our R2 build. We have our magazine, we have our parts, so let's see what we got. And here are the parts that we get with this issue. We have 2 bottom ring sections, an internal support, and a ring connector. Alright, to do this issue, it's not much to it. Each of these rings pieces have some writing on them, so we want to make sure the writing is facing upwards. And you just line them up like this, and you take the ring connector, and you basically slide it underneath. Hard to get that one off the table. And you put it together just like a puzzle piece. And right in here, we do 2 4mm silver screws. And that is all there is to it. We've begun construction of a ring frame for the body, which is nice, but not a whole lot to this stage. And there you have it. Stage 69 is complete. Not much to it. You got an extra piece and a little bit of frame here, but I like the direction this is going. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.